Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado, stock number 6133. This ran from the 10th 2013 to 07 2016. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, 2 small dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Front aftermarket snorkel. Right front aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.